In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a user in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take away someone's access to your Xero organization while keeping all of your records intact. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. You'll need the right level of access in Xero to manage users. If you don't see the options I mentioned, check with your organization subscriber or an administrator. Also, removing a user doesn't delete any transactions they created. It simply stops them from signing into this organization, and their activity remains in your audit trail. From your Xero dashboard, begin by clicking your organization name at the top of the screen. This opens a quick menu for your organization. If you work across multiple Xero organizations, take a moment to confirm you're in the right one before continuing. Next, choose Settings from that menu. This takes you to the area where you control your organization's preferences and access. Think of this as the control center for who can do what inside your Xero file. Now, select Users. You'll see a list of everyone who currently has access along with their roles and status. Take a second to verify you found the correct person. If this user is responsible for time-critical tasks like approving bills or publishing reports, make sure someone else is ready to take over so you don't interrupt your workflows. Find the person you want to remove and click the three dots or more options next to their name. This opens the action menu for that specific user. If you don't see the menu or the option you need, it could be a permissions issue or the user might be the organization's subscriber, in which case you'll need to transfer responsibilities before you can remove them. Choose Delete. Xero may prompt you to confirm, just to ensure you're removing the right person. Once you confirm, their access is revoked immediately. All of their past activity and any transactions they created remain in your organization for reporting, audit, and history purposes. If you ever need to work with them again, you can invite them back later from the same users area and assign the appropriate permissions at that time. That's the full process. Open your organization menu at the top, go to Settings, then Users. Open the three-dot menu beside the person you want to remove and click Delete to confirm. As a final best practice, make a quick note internally that access has been removed and ensure any responsibilities they held are reassigned to keep your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to manage user access confidently in Xero.